What's up, team? Sean from Vesta Live here, and it's been a while, but I heard something today that made me say, you know what? I got to record something. The idea of derivatives is very complex, but really oftentimes misunderstood because people want to seem smart or explain it in a way that makes them seem more intelligent. What I want to do is explain it in a really simple example that anyone at practically any age can understand. So that's what we're going to do today. And to kick this off before I tell the story, I want to tell you why I'm doing this. Today, as I'm recording this, is January 3rd, 2023. Today is a pretty significant down day across the market. We're seeing big moves to the negative. Now, yesterday, using Tesla as my example here, and this is a true story, I actually had opened up some puts towards the end of the day. I don't know why. The market felt frothy. I have a pretty large Tesla position. I wanted to make sure that I had some married puts, and I happened to just time it right because today the market kind of fell out from the bottom a little bit, and I'm up about 15% in literally the course of 12 hours on a pretty sizable put position. So understanding what can happen in the market, how to protect yourself, the way to think about it, not just when things are good, but when things might not be good, is really important. So let me tell you this quick story. So I want you for a second to just imagine that you have a lemonade stand, okay? You sell lemonade every day, and your income is really dependent on how many glasses you sell. Pretty basic stuff. But see, here's the thing, there's a catch. The number of glasses of lemonade that I sell is really dependent on the type of weather we're having on that day. If it's a sunny day, I do pretty well. I sell a lot of lemonade. If it rains, not a lot of customers are stopping by, and my business is kind of hurting. Now, I want you to imagine for a second that I have a friend who offers me a deal, and he says he's going to pay me a certain amount of money today, and in exchange, he'll get some of the money you make on the sunny days. But if it rains, you don't have to give him anything. Okay. This is kind of what we think of like a bet on the weather, right? I owe him something on sunny days. I owe him nothing on the rainy days. So this is what we would call a derivative in the financial world. And it's very similar to this idea of betting on the weather, right? At the end of the day, it's a simple concept. It's a contract between two parties whose value is based on an agreed upon underlying financial asset. I use Tesla as an example, but it doesn't have to be a stock. It could be bonds or commodities or really anything that contractually makes sense from that perspective. And instead of betting on the weather, for example, I'm betting on the prices. Are they going to go up or going to go down? Right? It doesn't matter which way it goes. I can bet both sides of it. I can use both sides to hedge or protect my positions. And I want to try to make money so that I can win no matter what happens in the market, right? So whether it's rainy or sunny, I'm doing okay. You know, when stock prices are up, we're all smiling and feeling good. When they go down, a lot of people are feeling down with it. You got to learn how to protect your portfolio and really look at both sides of the equation. So that really sums up the entire video. It's going to be simple, right? It's just a simple financial contract that gives the ability to do well no matter what market you're in, sunny or rainy, good or bad, up or down. And that's the extent of it. I saw this explained by someone else, no names, and they actually explained it completely wrong. And I said, oh my gosh, I got to just put something out there to make sure we keep it simple, clean, and clear. Team, with that, it's good to see you. Hope all is well. And thanks so much for stopping by. See ya.